my channel. It's the month of August, and this is actually the month that I leave Houston officially and move to Dallas, so I'm really excited about that. So the next 2 weeks I'll be transitioning there, and I'll be with my husband full time, which is awesome. This background you guys won't see anymore. I'm gonna have to start decorating and getting my new space in Dallas together, so look out for that. Now the wig that I'm gonna be showing you all today is gonna be one that's perfect for back to school. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing another affordable unit. This one is from Unice Hair. The starting price is $62, but with the specifications that I got, it's going to be $99. So just under $100, priced really well. And I'm going to show you all how to actually spice it up and make it look really awesome. So as many of you all know, I like to do the unboxing and everything on camera. This is what the box looks like. So this is the unit, and it is a 360, so there's lace around the entire parameter of the unit. So if you desire to put it up, you do have that option. As I shared in my first video with Unice Hair, I really like that they include this styrofoam insert that helps to keep your hair molded and in the right form. So that's really cool. It's not all smashed and everything when you receive it. So this is what the inside construction looks like. It has 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, and I'm not really sure why companies include that one. I don't feel that it's necessary, but nevertheless, you do have one in the middle and one at the bottom. It doesn't really appear that the knots have been bleached, but of course we're going to be using the Sally Hansen hack, and I'll show you all that in a moment. It has really pronounced baby hair, so these are really long. We're going to have to trim those down. And this is what the hair looks like. Now, the shortest length for this hair is in length 8. I got mine in length 14, and my density is 180, so it's gonna be voluminous. Y'all know I like volume. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, so you do get 4 inches of parting space. So from here to here, you have parting, and then starting here, you have your west. It also comes with a pre-plucked hairline, but it's not plucked tremendously, so we are going to have to go in and do a little bit more work in order to customize it. This is what the texture looks like. It is a water wave texture, but it does have sort of a curly appeal, and we're going to see what it looks like once I actually wet it, add some mousse. Hopefully it looks more curly, but we're going to see. So right now I'm going to do the Sally Hansen method, then I'm going to cut the lace off and begin the install. Alright, so now I'm going to take this head wrap off. I do already have the ball cap method already done. I do need to darken the color of my stocking cap though, because it does look a little light. Alright, so I'm going to take my foundation and I'm going to stipple that over my stocking cap just to create a more natural flesh-like color under the wig. Before actually beginning the process of sculpting and molding the unit the way that I desire, I'm going to try it on, and I want to get the part and everything situated the way that I want it, and then we can begin cutting the lace and laying it down. Currently it really doesn't look as much like a bob as I like, so I am going to cut it and shape it and give it the look that I desire. I'm not going to do a middle part. I do want a side part, so I'm just going to part it along the side. I want a deep side part. Let's make sure that's clean. That's good. I think that's how I want it. Now let's see how short I want it. I think I'm going to brush it out so I can see the shape a little more. Okay, now that I kind of have it at the length that I wanted, I think I'm going to shape it a little more on my mannequin head, and we're going to work with it from there. All right, y'all, so these are the finished results. I love how it turned out. This shape and everything looks so much better than the way it originally arrived. I'd recommend that if you want the unit in this length, which is more so of a short bob, then you get it in maybe length 10, length 12, because the 14 for me was a bit too long. When I got that length, I was more so thinking about how it typically looks with a curly texture, but this is a loose wavy texture, so it is going to appear to be longer. So don't go for 14 if you want shorter length. And I did have to shape it a bit. I just kind of layered it in the back so it has a bit more shape, and I tried to give it more so of a heart shape, but not like a really defined heart shape, because if I had done that, it probably would have been like cut here. But I feel like it looks really natural and it looks great the way that it is. This unit was really easy to install, and I love how it covered my hairline. So if you're a low hairline girl like me, this one will work for you, girl. I love how flat it lays in the front. I really didn't have to tweeze too much as well. And also when I was tweezing, I noticed that the hairs came out very, very quickly. This was not a unit that I have to really fuss with to get the hairs out. Now, I will say on this side, although it is 180% density, it seems to be fuller in the back and maybe like around the sides. It seems to be a little less dense in the front, particularly in this area. So I did go in and kind of back comb using my pick just to give it more volume. That's an option for those who maybe go down in density or get this particular unit and the 180% density is not as full as you desire. You can just kind of use your pick, back comb, and that's going to create a fuller look. So now let's do a full spin so that you all can see it from all angles. This is what it looks like from the right side. This is the left side of the cut. And let me show you all the back. I hope the back looks right. I was just kind of cutting and didn't have a guide or anything. Wasn't looking at it in the back in a mirror, but I hope it looks good. So that's the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that you all enjoy seeing an affordable back to school option. I will be showing you all more options for back to school later on in the week, so you all look out for those. Check the description box for all the links and specifications. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.